Hi guys, this is Ravi Singh from Androidify.blogspot.com and TechPost, and this is a tutorial about how to install Android 4.4.2, which is the latest update of Android onto your x86, or we can say 32-bit notebook laptop, or now you can also install it on 64-bit operating system. 64-bit system. So this time the update has came with lot of improvement, which I'll be telling you in the second video of Android x86 4.4.2. So let's start the installation. First of all, you will need to have Rufus app to create bootable USB drive. In the previous tutorial we have used Unet Bootin. You can also use that software, but Rufus is better than Unet Bootin, so you can download it. Download links are there. Now once you have downloaded the Rufus app, you will need to download the Android x86 4.4.2 KitKat ISO. The links are given in the description, and you will have to visit techpost.org for all the download links. So now that you have downloaded the Rufus app, you need to start it. It will automatically name it. You have to take quick format, create a bootable disk using ISO image, select it from the drop down menu, and then browse the ISO, the Android x86 4.4.2 RC1 ISO, and click open. Tick create extended labels and icon files, and then start it. Once you have clicked start, it will start writing. Since I have already written the data on my USB drive, so I'll be cancelling it. Now once you have finished the writing process, you need to restart your system. So now we have restarted and we have went into the BIOS menu, where we have to choose the USB HDD as on the first in the boot priority order, so that the system boots from the USB drive. Now restart it again. You can press F12 to choose USB drive for the booting process. Now you can see run Android x86 without installation. You can run it, but here we will be installing it to the hard disk. Now select the partition. You can select any partition of your hard disk, but remember, do not format it. Do you want to install bootloader? Yes. It will automatically detect the Windows partition and will create uh, the boot image accordingly. Now you will have to create a image file which will work as RAM. You can create it between 512 to 2048 MB, that is 512 MB to 2 GB. I have already created one image, but just to show you, I'll create it again. I'll be creating here 2 GB image which will work as RAM, or you can say internal memory. This process will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll be back soon as it's completed. So now it's almost finished. We have written 2 GB data. This is the last process of installation of Android 4.4.2. It's really easy to install it. After this finishes, it will prompt reboot or run Android x86. Select reboot and press enter. If you want to run Android directly from here, you can do so, but I will recommend you to reboot it. And press enter. Now remove the USB drive It's a necessary part of installation. Now it will boot automatically from the grub bootloader. You can select between 5 mode, and you can choose Windows for the to go into Windows or Android 4.4.2 RC1. Do not touch other uh, OS modes. Now since it's the first boot, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes to boot. I'll be skipping that. Okay, so it's almost started. Now what you have to do is just complete the first installation process. You have to sign in and all that, uh, the Google Pay and all. So you'll have to do that just to, and now you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can skip this step. But it's better to connect. And one good news is that the previous versions of Android x86, the 4.3, 4.2, they were not supported. They were not supporting the Ethernet. This version of Android 4.4.2 of Android x86 is supporting the Ethernet, but DHCP only. I'll tell you that I will be giving a detailed review of this Android x86 4.4.2 in my next video, so you will have to wait for that. And also I have came out with some cool tricks with Android x86, which are which I'll be bringing for you exclusively for you people, to all my readers and all my subscribers. Now you have installed the Android 4.4.2 successfully. You can enjoy this on your any, like, if you have old notebook which is uh, which has become like worthless, or you wanted to sell it, now you can use it and convert it into Android tab. Now if you have, in case you are facing any installation problems, or you have any questions or queries related to Android x86 4.4.2 or any other previous versions, you can contact me through comments, or you can go to techpost.org and contact me from there. Now I'll be showing you the version of Android which we have installed. It has also the inbuilt super user, so you have the root permissions also. And you can see the Android version is 4.4.2, model is AO Happy, manufacturer is Acer. This is my 32-bit machine. I've also installed it on my 64-bit laptop, which is from Lenovo. So guys, please subscribe us for more how to guides and video tutorials, and also watch our other tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.